Woke up stiff, foggy, tight hips, or a heavy spine? You don't need more caffeine, you need this 5-minute reset. Let's hit the mat. By the end of this, you'll feel it in your breath, your back, and your whole mood. Start standing, feet just outside hip width. Place your hands on your hips and draw slow, intentional circles with your pelvis. Forward, side. Half circles at a time. Switch directions after 30 seconds. This might seem simple, but the ripple effect it creates? Major. I promise this will fire up your core, bring circulation to your spine, and prep your nervous system for the rest of the flow. Beginners keep the movements small and controlled. Advanced stretches add some rhythm. Feel the stretch through your entire waistline. Did you know that your hips are actually one of the first areas to lock up when your energy is low? Keep it going. 5 more seconds. Do you feel that gentle pull in your lower back? That's circulation waking up. That just woke up your base. Now let's fire up the back chain. Come onto all fours, tuck your toes, and lift your hips to the sky. Paddle your heels gently. Let your head hang between your biceps. You're creating space along the back of your body, from your calves to your spine to your shoulders. I can promise you, just 1 minute here will relieve tension from sleep and create length through your posterior chain. Beginners, keep a soft bend in the knees. Advanced stretches, try to press the heels deeper into the mat. This position increases blood flow to your brain. Perfect for energy and clarity. Hold steady. Just 5 more seconds here. Can you feel the stretch behind your knees and in your shoulders? That just unlocked your spine. Now let's target the sides. Step your right foot out to the side. Left knee on the ground. Bring your right elbow to your right thigh and reach overhead, swinging your arm gently. Feel that pull down your right side body. This is one of the most overlooked stretches for posture and core engagement. I promise this move will help you breathe deeper and stand taller all day. Beginners, keep your hand on your thigh. Advanced stretches, reach toward the floor for a deeper stretch. Tight side body equals shallow breathing. This move opens your ribs and your lungs. 5 more seconds. Can you lean a little further? Do you feel that release along your waistline? Let's switch sides. Same setup. Step your left foot out, rest your left elbow on the thigh and reach the right arm overhead. The difference in sides? That's the clue your body has been leaving you all week. Deep breath. Reach. 5 more seconds. Is one side tighter? That tension is probably affecting how you move at work. Now we're flowing into your spine. Watch what happens next. From downward dog, shift forward. Lower down slowly and lift your chest into cobra. Then press back up into downward dog. Repeat with control. This dynamic move fuses strength and stretch. It's what your spine craves first thing. I promise this will energize every inch of your body and get your heart pumping just enough to feel alive. Beginners, use your knees to transition. Advanced stretches add fluidity. Move with your breath. Alternating flexion and extension of the spine helps release endorphins faster than static stretching alone. Push 1 more rep. 5 more seconds. Feel that heat rising in your chest and core. That just supercharged your spine. Let's finish by expanding the breath. Stand tall, reach your right arm up and over to the left. Come back to center, then switch sides after 30 seconds. This is how you reclaim space in your body. I promise this will stretch your obliques, lengthen your torso, and set the tone for taller, stronger posture today. Beginners, keep both feet grounded, arms soft. Advanced reaches, reach further and hold a few seconds on each side. When you open your sides, your lungs expand more and that leads to more energy. Final challenge. Reach and hold. 5 more seconds. Are you feeling more upright already? That's your finish line. Let's land this thing. You just gave your body what most people avoid: mobility, breath, and discipline. That's not a stretch, that's leadership. But if you sit for hours a day, one flow isn't enough. That's why I built a 3-day reset, a free plan to keep your body strong, pain-free, and focused all day long. Click the link now before life pulls you back into the chaos. Let's build your rhythm, one stretch at a time. I'll see you in the next one.